Hello everyone, in this video, we will be looking at how to blink an onboard LED. This is the onboard LED for the Pico board. This is connected to GPA pin number 25. Let's look into the code. Now import pin from the machine and import sleep from uTime. We have imported the required modules. Now we need to create an object for the LED. The LED is connected to GPA pin number 25. The LED object is LED OBJ. And we have to mention the GPA pin number. In this case, it is 25. There is an inbuilt LED is connected and we have to say is it an input pin or it's an output pin. This is an output pin. This is the command you have to key for making that GPA pin number 25 as an output pin to the LED object. Next up, we wanted to make it continuously blink. While true is a loop, through makes a while loop always to be working. That's why we will be getting an infinite loop. We wanted to make the LED to be on and off. And we want to say that at what time it wanted to on. So we have to use sleep. And the time you have to give in seconds inside. This time I am taking 1 second's gap or 1 second's delay after 1 second. I wanted to make the LED off here, LED object off, which makes the LED to be in off condition. And we have to say at what time it wanted to be off. Here I have given 1 second, which makes the LED on and off every 1 second. Let's upload this code. It's asking where to save. This time, I'm just saving into the computer. We have a temporary folder on the desktop. I'm giving LED by just save and see what will happen in the board. Okay, now look into the board. You can see in the board the green LED which is connected to GPU pin number 25. Started printing. Instead of using LED object on and off, we can also use in another method. So let's see. I'm just removing it. It's very easy. You have to say LED object, which value has to be there? Is it on or off? That means if you pass 1, it becomes on. If you pass 0, it makes off. So this command makes the LED object to be under on condition. Similarly, sleep can give a time. This time I'm giving another delay time of 2 seconds. LED object dot value 0. I am giving. This makes the LED under the off condition again. We can make it sleep for 2 seconds. Look into the project. Right now the board is blinking with 1 second glaze. I'm going to upload this code right now. It has been uploaded. Now it's going to be off and on for 2 seconds of time. Now delay has changed to 2 seconds. We can also try with some other timing. This time I'm giving very small value somewhere like 2 milliseconds and just see what will happen now to seconds. Upload the code and see how fast the LED is going to blink. I hope this lecture is clear for you. See you on the next video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.